Make it, sing it, draw it, say it. This is how dog zombies play it. Doodle monster, furry creature, draw a picture of my teacher. I like wafers, they're the best. Marcus Meldrew's not impressed. Granny's custard's very lumpy. Delia is always grumpy. I'm Tom Knits, that's my name. So join in with my favourite games. Get ready, 'cause here we go. Welcome to my brilliant show. You should really try not to get detention. They aren't exactly a lot of fun. Luckily, I have a great game to stop everyone from falling asleep. Let's play Name That Sound. I'll play you a sound. You have to guess what it is. Is it a monster eating a treat? Or a monster cleaning its feet? What do you think? It's a monster cleaning its feet. Don't feel bad if you got it wrong. Monsters often clean their feet with ice cream. OK, here's another one. Is it Grandad's creaky knees? Or a very creaky door? Have a guess. Yes, it was the creaky door. My Grandad's knees are surprisingly bendy. Last one, here we go. Is it a hamster on a wheel? Or a monster eating a meal? Any idea? I love a hamster, but I'm not allowed one. My sister Delia is allergic, just because she is... Oh, yeah. It's a monster eating a meal. Yes, well done. No hamster wheel will be that squeaky. That would get really annoying. I think you got that. Welcome to my brilliant show. Play it.
Let's play Guess the Instrument.
Match the mystery noise to the picture to win the game.
Round 1. Is it a trumpet, a harp, or a monster sitting on a cake?
Of course, it was a monster sitting on a cake.
I hope you're not thinking about eating that.
Round 2. Is it a flute, a recorder, or a bug on the skis?
It was a flute.
Ouch. Okay, last one. Is it a washboard, some maracas, or a swamp monster itching his back with a cheese grater? It was a washboard. Well done if you guessed that one.
I knew that.
No, you didn't.
Okay, I didn't.
Excuse me, any chance of a back scratch?
No, I don't think so.
Welcome to my brilliant show.
Get on with it, Tom.
It's time to play it. Here's a photo of my Granny Mavis when she was a baby. Granny likes to tell me she's 103.
I'm 103 years young, Tom.
She's joking.
Am I?
I think. OK, can you spot the baby Tom Gates? I'll give you a clue. He's the really cute one. There I am. Same hairstyle, see? Can you guess which one is Marcus Meldrew? He hasn't changed much. There he is. Now, There's a few more to find. See if you can match them up. Mr Fullerman's in there too. Time's nearly up. Have you matched them up yet? And here's a picture of Delia. Such a happy baby.
Tom!
Nothing's changed.
Welcome to my brilliant show.
Tom!
Every time. Play it! Can you spot the empty wafer wrapper? Here we go. Keep your eyes peeled. Oh, which one is it? Ha! Did you spot it? If you look carefully, there are a couple of clues. Rewind, please. There's a little dent on the one that isn't full of yummy chocolate, and a little curl on the wrapper where I wrapped it back up. Ha-ha! See? And the best thing is, you get to eat the wafer inside. Nom.
Welcome to my brilliant show.
Right, whilst we give Rooster a bath, I think there's just enough time to play it. Have you ever noticed how pets sometimes look a bit like their owners?
Not really.
I think they do. Here are 5 pets. Some of my classmates and my teacher from school. Can you guess which pet belongs to which owner? There's Florence Mitchell. Mark Clump. He has a lot of pets. Mr Fullerman.
Tom, have you done your homework?
Yes, sir. I didn't know I had any homework. Amy Porter and Marcus Meldrew. I bet his pet's annoying. Okay, here we go. Match the face to the pet. It's quite tricky, but they do all look a bit like their owners. Time's nearly up. Have you matched them up yet? Hey, that's it. How many did you get? Talking of pets.
Welcome to my brilliant show.
Play it! I'm going to find these bugs before you, because I am excellent at spotting small creatures. Find the bugs. Okay, here is a deep, dark jungle. Find all the bugs before the time is up. Ready, steady, go! I spotted one already. Can you see it? This is really bugging me. Time's nearly up. Okay, time's up. Did you find all the bugs? Ah, Ladybug, you've been spotted.
Ah!
There is the millipede.
Oh!
Must take me ages to tie his shoelaces.
Uh-uh.
And there's the butterfly.
Fly, 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 butterfly, I'm gonna fly past you and you're gonna notice.
Found all the bugs. Great. Can you find our way out the undergrowth?